parents, meron ka bang mga anak na overuse gumamit ng internet? Yung tipong kakagising lang, no? Ang hinahanap ka agad ay yung cellphone, yung tablet, and then maglalaro ng online games o magpe-Facebook. Instead na kumain muna, uunahin ka agad ang gaming.
Oh no!
Right? So don't worry, I can relate. It's also one of my problems before, and I believe still, no, there are so many parents na until na isa to sa mga struggle sa kanilang mga anak. Okay? So I'm going to share with you yung isa sa mga ginawa ko, no, from the past months, and somehow effective siya. I'm going to introduce to you what we call the parental control. Okay? So parental control is actually a software, or it's a tool, no, that allow parents like us to set control sa ating mga anak sa paggamit ng internet. Okay? So they are a great way of helping to prevent our children from accessing unsuitable content online, and of course limiting the usage. Okay? So siguro naman na meron kang modem or router installed sa bahay mo. So if you do, this parental control is available in your device. Okay, so in this case, allow me to demonstrate to you how we can use the parental control in my router. So in my case, I am using a Globe router. Okay. First step, let's get the information of our modem or router, which can be located at the back of your router itself. Okay, so you will see the IP address, the username, and the password of your router like this. Okay, so open up a browser and then type the IP address of your router. So in my case, I have 192.168.1.1. Alright, and then just log in using the credential if you are prompted. Okay, so in my case, I am using a Globe Echo Life HG8145V5. Okay, so this device is from Huawei. So I'm going to click on the setup button, and then I'm going to log in. Ayan. I hope tama yung password ko. Alright. Oops. Mali siya. Okay, let me try again.
No!
There you go. So I'm in. So this is the interface of my Globe at Home HG8145V5. So from this menu, I can find the parental control under the advanced configuration, and then I'll go to security, and then I can see the parental control. Okay? If you don't know where to find the parental control options sa iyong router, you need to call the technical support of your internet provider para matulungan ko on how to do this. Okay, so let me just configure mine. I'll click parental control, and then we can see here an overview, template, and then the statistics. So first, since there's no template yet, I'm going to click this, no, and then actually I have one already, but let me just delete this since I'm going to demonstrate to you from the scratch. So let's say we don't have any template right now. So first click on the new button, and then you can rename this. So let's say this is parental control, any name you want, right? And then from the validation, I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to start the date today, and then you can set any expiration date if you want. So let's say at the end of the year. Okay, all right. But I believe you can leave this page blank if you want to, but in my case I'll just set a time period. Okay, starting today up to December 31 of this year. Okay, and then click on next. There you go. And then from the time period table, just click on new. And on this table, you will specify the allowable hours for the day. So if you would like to have your children don't have access to the internet for the whole day, just check this box. Or if you would like to have them access the internet for a specific time, and check this and then put in your desired time. So let's say for example, gusto mo meron silang internet between 9 a.m. Alright, and up until let's say 1 o'clock. Okay, 4 hours. So that will be 1300. So because we're using a military time, so 1300 is 1 o'clock. So from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. They will have an internet. After 1 p.m. 101 onwards, wala na silang internet access. Okay, and then if you would like to have it set on a daily basis, you just click on every day. Or if you would like to set a specific date, let's say from Monday to Friday school time, pwede yung ganyan ng setup. Or kung Saturday, Sunday lang sila merong internet access, just click on the Saturday and Sunday. But in my case, I'll do this on a daily basis. Alright, and then I'm gonna hit on apply and then click on next. And there you go. So you can put in any website right here to be filtered. So let's say you would like to block a particular website like a porn site, pwede mo rin siyang gawin dito. Okay, so if you click this and then you will click on new and then put in the URL of the site, let's say a porn site na gusto mong i-add, and then click on apply. But in my case, I'll just leave this unchecked and then click on finish. Alright, so we just successfully added a template for this, so it's named parental control. And then on this point, let us now try to add a device that will belong to this template. So just go to overview. Alright, and then if you would like all the members of the family or all people na walang access sa internet mo, just simply click on the apply on all device and then click OK, but I'm not going to. Alright, so just a specific device, ito yung kailangan natin piliin, and then click on new. Alright, from here you will see the devices which were connected to your router, so you can see their IP addresses, the name of the devices. Let's say for example, my son's phone is the Galaxy A01, so ito yung kanyang phone. Ayan, so I'll just put a description. Let's say I'll put in Jared's phone. Alright, and then the template is only one. You can create natin kanina, the parental control, and then click on the apply button. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. So when we check the devices right here, alright, Jared's phone, parental control, and this parental control template is going to allow the device we just set to have internet from this time period. So from 9 a.m. to 1300 or 1 p.m. only. Okay, so that's how you set parental control. So I hope this video somehow helped you to manage your router, not to control or limit the internet usage of your kids at home. Okay, so pwede rin naman yung mga parents, yung mga adult na sobrang undisciplined, inaabot ng madaling araw sa paglalaro ng ML. You can also do this as long as you have the access on your router. Alright. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. So once again, this is Webhouse TV. You have a great day and God bless everyone. Okay, bye!